Hey guys, I'm back! I is How To Heather, and you is probably clicking this video because you watched part 1 of How to Pastel Rainbow Hair. If you missed it, click this button or the link in the description. Now, let the pink, purple, blue hair tutorial begin! Yay! Woo. How to mermaid hair color, rainbow hair, part 2.
It's gonna be a little bit cooler.
Yeah, that's cool. Wow, so colorful. I wonder what my parents are gonna say.
They're gonna say that you're beautiful little unicorns.
They bought me unicorns when I was a baby.
They like unicorns.
Oh, you bought me My Little Pony. The way I was raised. I love it so much. Already wet in the sink. I can't believe how much could look like it's like done.
I know.
I'm having a blast.
We're just gonna separate that later.
It's hard because I have such a big, heavy brain. I'm smart. Plus, like my nature videos.
But the duck.
The duck was sticking his butt out. Duck.
Looking pretty darn unicorny.
Yeah! It even looks beautiful as a mess in the sink. Snapper base. If you ran out of unicorn hair pudding, you can substitute with professional hairstyling products.
Do you want another towel underneath your neck?
Yeah. Yeah, please. Delicate neck.
This is why you're our victims.
Oh.
This is why.
Victims that end up turning beautiful after.
You just have so much hair.
Yay! Thanks to Millionhair.
I really have a million hairs.
My slogan is we love what we do and we do it for you.
Oh!
I sometimes like to tell people that I'm hair for you.
We're about to get the magic started.
A little bit of the It leave-in conditioner.
It look like an Easter egg.
Kind of ties in with the duck thing.
Oh, you're parting it these days, my friend.
I think I go like this side and like a little curvy curve this way.
This detangler is thebomb.com. So now we're gonna brown brush it. We're gonna towel dry a little bit more and then blow dry. I don't know if you want to videotape the whole blow dry or if you want to let your people there.
They have to see the whole blow dry.
The whole blow dry.
Whole entire.
Look at those blonde highlights. That looks amazing.
That might be a little bit of toner. We'll use the color remover after.
Oh, okay. I'll just put makeup on it, you know. No worries.
Night night color.
The big reveal.
Not yet.
Oh, colors.
Benefit styling cream, so it just helps reduce frizz and adds shine.
Smells good.
Want to act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, also coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected with the moves elusive and I'm barely moving.
Pastel rainbow hair color.
Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record.
So beautiful.
Isn't that from Little Rascals? Do you remember that movie? Love that movie.
Oh, Delilah.
You make me melt like a popsicle on the 4th of July.
Yeah,
I always thought that like one of the boys was a girl because he had the long dreadlocks. I kept getting upset. Why is she allowed at the boys club? All the other girls aren't allowed, but she's like the only one allowed. That's a boy. And I'm like, really? I learned that some boys have long hair.
That's like Whoopi Goldberg's kid or something.
Are you kidding? I didn't know she had babies. She didn't tell me. She didn't even say anything. So.
You bring that up.
Oh, it's not you. It's life. I have some nephews. I don't want them to grow up, but I know I have to let them grow up. I don't have a choice. I want them to be babies right now.
They're gonna get girlfriends or boyfriends, and well, I remember when I was younger wanting to grow up, and you get there and you're like, wait, no, stop back. Oh no.
I know, it's confusing. I almost thought I would never grow up, but it totally happened. I'll probably never be like a grown up. Or like, how did your experience go with that?
Yeah, same.
Okay, I was like, I'll probably just cap out at 20.
Right?
Forever 21.
That's where they came up with that idea.
Every time I make jokes about how I'm not 21, I ask them if it's okay to try to show my ID and stuff. Sometimes they get it, sometimes they don't. What's that you say? You want to see a hair tutorial inside of a How To Unicorn hair tutorial?
You have to take this piece and go in like this, and then yada yada.
The dream is real.
But you know what they say, beauty is pain.
Oh, I thought they say practice makes perfect.
Well, that's true. Tammy just asked me what I was doing this weekend with my extra time off. Forgot about that.
Like, you're working this weekend?
No, like I'm not.
Oh, you're not working this weekend? Yeah. Oh, and then she was like, what are you going to be up to?
Yeah.
Do you know?
No.
Okay. Are you going to play with your cat?
Of course.
Are you going to give him so much catnip?
No. Watching anything good on Netflix?
Yes. I'm on this really big I Feel Pretty kick. That and Making a Murderer.
You watch Madeline McCann.
No?
It's a docu-series as well.
Okay.
It's about this 3-year-old girl that went missing on their vacation in Portugal. There's a lot of conspiracies.
I'm really into conspiracies.
Yeah, I could tell from like how interested you were in the making a murder. One of the conspiracies that I read is like the parents had a little more to do with it than they let on.
Did Jean-Benet Ramsey? What's the little girl's name again?
Bernadette.
Bernetta? Or sorry, no,
That's Bernadette.
Oh, sorry, Bernadette. Hello. The documentary?
Madeline McCann.
I gotta check it out. And yes, I do always blame the family. Most murders are committed by family members.
Watch it. Just go watch it. And Madeline McCann.
Okay, I'm totally gonna watch it, and I know who did it. It was Bobby Dassey.
Okay, I have to love you and leave you.
Love you too. Thank you.
Alright.
Pastel rainbow hair how-to, or how-to pink, purple, blue hair at Tammy's is everything because she has a sweet ring light for some glamour shots. Call me unicorn hair, call me mermaid hair, call me whatever kind of pastel hair you want, but don't call me late for dinner. Thank you, THNX.
Bye.
Thank you, subscribe.
Love you. I'll talk to you soon.
Love you too, bye.
Bye.
Wow. I can't wait to get home and start playing with my new rainbow unicorn hair color. Well, that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel good. I feel pretty. I can taste the rainbow. This look is great for Halloween. You can easily match it with all your favorite outfits. Get ready. People will be looking for your wig and your tail because they'll think you're a real unicorn. I'm getting used to it at first, but you'll find yourself loving waking up looking like a rainbow. When I see my hair in the mirror, I feel like there's an ocean of rainbow sailing behind me. All my friends and family commented that it's perfect. This is my true form. First time since grade 6, I did actual colors that don't normally grow out of people's heads. I was a little bit nervous, but Tammy was super nice and made my dreams come true. I used to get nervous about dyeing my hair fun colors. I was scared to be myself. And I thought that nobody would say. And I thought that nobody would accept me if I had candy colored hair. But I decided that it's more important. Follow your dream and be the unicorn that's inside you. Please leave a comment and let me know if I should continue being a unicorn or go back to being a regular human. Pretty much everything I do is like 10 times better as a unicorn. I don't think I'd ever want to go back. This is too much fun. I want to be a unicorn forever. If you like unicorns and like the way they move and fly and jump, please like this video. This is not a pool toy behind me. It's a snow tube because I'm Canadian. This has been another episode of How to Heather. Thank you for joining me. This was nice. Please come back next time and let me know what you think I should try next. And subscribe if you believe in unicorns. Have a nice day. Hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. Babe, it's me, trapped inside of a tiny unicorn on your phone. Help! Am I pretty? Thank you for watching. I'm How to Heather. Please watch all my videos on all your devices and subscribe to learn how to do everything you ever wanted to do.